Welcome to Monkey Love Travel. My name is Jason. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we aim to do one-stop shopping for cruising. Our goal is to help the first-time family cruiser navigate their upcoming cruise and make it the best possible experience you can have. So on today's video, we're going to talk about the most common things that are confiscated from you on embarkation day. Let's do a little giveaway here. So, okay, let's change it up a little bit. I'm going to give you that towards the end. I want you to stick around and watch this whole video. It's not going to be a long video, but trust me, at the end, you'll like it. Okay? So, most common things that are confiscated on embarkation day is going to be one, alcohol. You are allowed to bring one 750 milliliter bottle per adult that is 21 years of age or older with you. And again, that's 750 milliliters. All right. You can't bring any whiskey or anything like that. They'll take that from you. That'll get confiscated. Now that kind of thing they'll hold for you until the cruise is over and you'll get that back. Now if you're trying to sneak on alcohol, trying to disguise it in something, yeah, I'm not so sure you'll get that back. All right, so the number two items are going to be irons and steamers. Because of the safety risks and the way the electrical systems are set up on the cruise, they run the risk of being a fire hazard. Oftentimes people leave them on, and they just start overheating, and it just ends up being a fire risk. So those things will end up being confiscated on embarkation day. We suggest bringing some wrinkle releaser spray, trying the rolling technique for your clothes. And if that's not helping you, you can always pay the small fee to have your clothes pressed for you, especially if you have something really nice that you want to wear on formal night. Go ahead and pay a couple extra bucks to have to have that pressed for you. Next thing is going to be scissors. A lot of people like to decorate their doors. We like to decorate ours as well. And, not looking ahead of time, they can, they'll just bring their regular household scissors. But anything that's going to be over 4 inches in length is going to get taken from you when you're trying to board the ship. We suggest it, well, Royal Caribbean's rule is anything 4 inches and under. But we also suggest taking it one step further, packing that in your checked bag. I mean, if you're flying, you're going to have to do that anyway, okay? Pro tip, if you're bringing, let's go back to alcohol. If you're bringing your wine on board with you, don't forget to bring a corkscrew. Again, make sure it's under 4 inches. And also put that into your checked bag as well, because there again, if you're flying, you're going to need to put that in your checked bag anyway. And why I say bring your own corkscrew is because if you bring your wine and it has a cork in it, you don't have any way of opening it, they're going to charge you a fee to uncork that wine for you, okay? So next things that are going to be end up getting confiscated is going to be any form of an extension cord or surge protector. The surge protectors are another thing that just doesn't work well with the ship's electrical system, so it ends up being a fire hazard as well. And they only want approved extension cords. And if for some reason you need an extension cord, you can request one through your cabin attendant. Or or for someone like me who ends up needing a CPAP, you can do a special needs form ahead of time and have that extension cord ready for you when you get to your room. Other things are going to be candles and incense burners. Now we understand that you're going on a cruise and some evening you might want to actually get your cruise on and make it romantic, but unfortunately you cannot bring any candles, no open flames, no incense burners. Again, fire hazards. If you're looking to make it romantic, we would suggest maybe little tea lights. They're little LED lights. Maybe that'll help. Another thing is going to be knives. Now, some cruise lines don't allow you to bring any form of a knife whatsoever. The Royal Caribbean has 4 inches and under, and usually what we see a lot are like the Swiss Army knives. Um, but with those, I would also suggest packing that in your checked luggage, wrapping it up so it doesn't, you know, hit anything or break anything in your check bag. Just that way you don't end up getting stopped at security when you're trying to bring on your carry-ons. Okay. Last but not least, one of the most recent items that's going to be added to, or is already added to the banned list, is going to be your multi-plug adapters. So anything that has multiple plugs, like this one here does, is now on Royal Caribbean no longer allowed. Now, there's no word from the other cruise liners that have taken this away. As far as I know, these are still allowed on other cruise liners, but as far as Royal Caribbean goes right now, this is not allowed. What is allowed is only an extension that offers the USB plugs, USB and USB-C. So if it offers that and it's US or Europe certified, you can bring it. But if it has multiple plugs or adapters for plugs, this is not allowed anymore, and it's a shame because we've only had these a couple months. Well, those are the most common items that are confiscated during embarkation day. So we want to have a giveaway. All right, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge for you. You're going to need to go back to one of our other videos, or maybe you've already seen it and remember it. But the first 2 people who can go over to our website, sign up for our mailing list. In the message body of that sign up sheet, I want you to put the answer from one of our previous videos, okay? Now, the video that you're going to want to watch, you're going to have to find on your own. Now, the question is, all right, when on our trip to Bermuda, that video, okay, so you should be able to go back and find that video. What are local native born Bermudians called? That's your trivia question. So, again, first 2 people that go over and sign up on our mailing list and give us the correct answer will win one of our fantastic tumblers. Stainless steel. There you go. Let me hold that up for you. Stainless steel. They're great. No spill lid. I love it. Keeps it hot. Keeps it cold. Love it. Love it. Love it. So if you're interested and you want to have a little fun with us, go sign up on the mailing list. We'll see you next time.